Here's a pair of the Soundcore Life Q20 headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an LG TV, LG Smart TV via Bluetooth. This LG TV is the one that has WebOS. So first thing is, let's go to the settings on an LG TV. If you have a settings button, gear icon on your remote, you can go that way. If not, go to the home page here, and you can navigate on the top right hand side to that gear icon. So I'll just navigate that way. Move over to the gear icon, select that. Now in the left pane here, we want to go down, down again to sound out. Currently the sound out is coming out of my internal speakers, but we wanted to come out of these headphones. So let's select sound out. And now it says internal TV speaker. We want to look for Bluetooth, all right? So we're going to move to the right or left. Let's move to the right and see what's there. Hey, there's Bluetooth. Now let me go down to device list right there. Select that. Now we come here and now I see that little search thing, that little spinny thing. It's searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. So now we got to hurry up and put this in pairing mode before the search stops. But if it does, we can rescan, no problem. So these headphones are currently off. The power button is right here. Let's turn these on first. Let me press and hold the button for a few seconds. Now what I want is a blue blinking light, which would indicate that we're in pairing mode. I get a solid blue light there. So I got a solid blue light and the lights go off. The reason is because I'm connected to, I think, another phone. So it's not in pairing mode. So for myself, let me turn these off first. Press and hold that power button for a few seconds. Okay, now it's turning off. Now for myself, this time when I press the power button, I'm going to press and hold and keep holding until I get a blue blinking light here, which would indicate it's in pairing mode, okay? Power button here, press and hold, ready, go. Keep holding, holding still. Where's a blue blinking light? Blue, blue, there it is. It's in pairing mode. Now quickly go back to the TV, but we took too long to search stop. So the search is highlighted. So let's click OK to scan it again. We're still in the pairing mode. We get a blue blinking light and voila, we found the Soundcore Life Q20 there. Make sure it's highlighted in fuchsia, that little round thing. Click on OK on the remote. And it says it is connected up there. And I heard a little chime on the headphones as well. And you can see the check mark right there. Now, here's the thing. If you guys had any kind of issues pairing or connecting, you can always factory reset these. Okay, if you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area. And you can see the volume rockers are working as well. Well, there you guys go.